Take a ride in the 2017 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.